Hi there, I'm Tony Welsh, and I'm Cloud Management Specialist with VMware. I've been part of the hands-on labs for about 8 years now, and this year I worked on the vRealize Operations Labs. Um, I've been part of the lab, as I said, for 8 years. Started as a proctor, and a proctor is one of those that are responsible for attending VMware, helping our customers and partners with the information on the content in the labs. And after a couple of years, I had the opportunity to become a captain. Really glad to be doing the captain role. It's the person that's creating the content. And, taking that initial information that comes out with the new release and designing how that's going to be presented in a, in kind of a formal method of training. And, I've used these labs a lot at my customers, and I've used it as workshops to teach folks how our products work and the use cases that they may need to support. And it's interesting, a lot of our customers will actually take that same environment and they'll use it as a sandbox. So they'll, that way it gives them an opportunity to break things, try again, and they have a manual to follow if they want to. So, if you want to work with a great team, there's a bunch of great people in the environment. It's challenging, taking and writing that content. I would suggest you join HOL, and there's always great opportunities. One of my favorite things about joining it was I was able to attend VMworld in Europe. So a lot of great moments, and hope you guys think about joining.